Welcome to FullStack. So guys, in part 1 we discussed the course content. So this is the part 2 and the continuation of web development in Python using Flask. So let's start. So today's our topic is the installation and setup, and maybe we cover first app. Yes, of course, if we have time and video didn't make too much long, so we start first app. So yes, so you are right. So if you are on Windows, you need to download the Python, and you need to go to Python official website, that is python.org, and download the latest version. And once you download the latest versions, it comes in your download like this. It's almost 26 MB. It takes 5 minutes to download. It's simple installation, just next, but remember to select this option, add Python 3.8 to path. So the benefit is you didn't need to go through the directory where the Python installed. You can use Python. You can use the Python 3 keyword to run your application without going to the directory. So I already installed this one. You just click, then you install this software. Once you install the software, it's in C, and you need to go to users. Uh, okay, so here it's C, and it's users. It's your username, and in username there is app data. So let me open users. Okay, so there is users, then there is app data and local. Inside local you can found Python. Okay, let me see where it's located. I didn't. Okay, local programs and then Python, and you have Python 38, and here everything is there. Okay, so if you go to scripts, you can see there is pip3 here, and this pip3 is we use later to download uh, Python packages, because this is Python installer package manager. So if you are on Linux, later we jump to Linux, and you just need to update your repository. Remember, you should in root or use sudo, and then after this apt get install Python 3. You can here also include the distribution which you need, but most probably if you write this one, it installs the latest version. So after installation, what you need to do, you need to open your cmd, your command prompt, and okay, so okay, so you need to write Python 3 // version. So it gives you the Python version, and if it gives you like this, that Python is not recognized, and so you just write then Python 3, and it still give you this one, then you write Python. So then it gives you 3.8.1. Mostly you use Python 3 in Linux, and if you have two distribution like Python 2 and Python 3, so it gives you now 3.8.1. So it's successfully installed, and just exit this one. You can press this and you are exit from your computer. So this is the installation, and now let's move to our IDE. For IDE you can download Sublime Text 3. You can use Real Studio Code, You can use Notepad, you can use any editor, but I recommend to use Sublime Text 3. So simply you can download from their official website, and once you download, you need to run it. Okay, so I already download this one, so I just open this Sublime Text 3, and let me remove. Okay, let me open the folder where I want to save the projects. So inside I need to save in Python 3, so I just select Python 3 and select folder, and it open the new instance. So this is my instance where I have all my files. So this is the Python 3. So here we write a first program. So our first program, so we just add a file that is uh, hello world, and the extension of application of Python is py, so we include hello world py, and here we just simply the print, so print command. So this is the comments, so it's good practice to write the comments. So print command is like print, and you just select this one, double quotes, and say hello world. Okay, so we save this one. Now we jump to run this one. We jump to here. We should go to the directory where our Python py file is there. So it's on desktop, and then there is FullStack, and then there is Python 3. So here if you say directory, and in Python ls, I have my helloworld.py, so I just Python, and I just write helloworld.py. So it gives me output hello world. So see you in next video.